Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art. I'm Zelda from the fairy realm and today we're going to be dotting a coaster. But first we need to do the planning. If you are brand new to my channel, please go and have a look at the fundamentals playlist first to get you started on exactly how I work, and then you can come back to patterns like this one. For the planning of this coaster, you are going to need your coaster, your stencil, so either the rubber one or the temporary one, your ruler, your chalk pencil, and your compass. So I have a coaster here. Everybody's coasters are different sizes, but the one I am working with is 3.7 inches or 9.5 centimeters. You can use whatever size one you have, and you can just expand the design a little bit more when you get to the edges in order to complete it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is find the center, which I've already done. And then I'm going to make a hole so that I can keep on lodging my compass in there when I need to. So first, I'm going to mark indents. First, I'm going to measure 1 centimeter intersections. So this is to help me see that this is where my circles are going to fall. So if you had to take it in inches, it's about 0.04 inches for each of those. Okay, then we're going to draw our circles. And then I'm just going to make one on the edge here, like so, just so that I can do that. And as always, you don't want your chalk marks to be too thick because it does interfere with the paint. Now, if you have my stencil, you can use that one. If you don't have my smaller stencil, I do have these temporary 1-inch ones available on my Etsy store, and you can just buy it from there. And we are going to make 16 sections. So I'm just lining up the center like so, making sure that it's nice and square. And 16 sections is the third circle from the outside. And then we're going to mark each and every single hole in that lane. And then I'm just going to connect all of it with a ruler. And of course, just starting in the center and then working my way out. Because a lot of times when you cross connect, it doesn't run exactly to the center point. So that is why I rather take them one at a time. Because in the end, it's going to make my life just so much easier. This is the color palette I decided to go with for this specific design. So I have got clear blue, mid blue, and sapphire, which is a metallic. So 3 variations of blue. And then I also have 3 variations of purple. So I have lavender, violet, and then amethyst, which is also a metallic. And then I have a special color, which is going to be my silver. So you can follow along using your own colors. And I will be referring to silver as color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4, color 5, color 6, and color 7. All right, 16 sections. I think we're all sorted, ready to get started. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay dotty, stay magical, keep well.